Robin's upstairs right now getting ready to actually... We have a special guest today. So what I'm doing right now, I'm by myself. You know, it's kind of weird that she's not here. Thank goodness, because anyhow, I'm creating something different. I do have a batter pre-made already. Just read the description down below because I'll have that all written down for you guys. I have a normal flour added with avocados in it, and I'm gonna make a banana cake. Reason why I'm making this today, I normally don't make any banana cakes or any type of desserts. We have that special guest coming, and that's gonna be a surprise guest for you guys because we'll talk about that later on. So this will implement on the food that I'm making now for her. So she's gonna be trying this out, and this is all new and different. Let's put this on record for you guys so you guys could see it. As you can see, I do all the editing myself, so I gotta have to play this out properly. Now this right here is, jeez, I keep forgetting stuff. This is Pina Colada mix, blended with a cocoa cream and also with pineapple. So I flavored this out. It's Chia Seed. For all those Chia Seed lovers, for pudding wise, you mix it with any type of flavors, and this is what you get. 24 hours or within 10 minutes you get this pudding. So I'm gonna layer this right on top of the cake. So what I'm doing with the base is what I have here is the banana. So I'm gonna chop this up. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut this butter up and I'm gonna coat this pan. All I need is a little bit. Not much, which I took too much. And this is the pan. I'm just gonna neatly rub it as much as I can. Now, this month is Foodness Month. We have a few weeks left and it's gonna be changing to something more healthy. So, Birdytalks, I'm gonna show her my diet of what I eat in the background at home. So she's gonna be going through a different experience of what I actually eat and what I could do to her body within 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that, and if you look down in the description right now, you'll see a link where you can download my diet program that I have, what I eat on a daily basis and how I change it all the time. If you guys are wondering how to get fit, it's you are what you eat and you become who you hang out with. Just always remember, I'm a true believer in that set point. Now, I got this all buttered up. So what I'm gonna do now is I need my rag here. Okay, give me 1 second. So she's upstairs still getting ready. She's trying to make herself look pretty. That's her in the background. Anyhow, she could hear me. So I'm gonna chop this up in specific size. And what I wanna do is I'm gonna try to get all the same size as much as I can. So I'm just lining it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. I don't want to waste the bananas and I don't want to have too much left over. I'm just gonna line it up as neat as possible as I can. And I'm gonna cover this up. It's a good thing the garbage is right beside me right now. Normally, with cakes like this, I put cinnamon if it's just banana itself. Now, my background as a bartender, I created this flavor. It mixes well with avocado, it mixes well with banana as a drink. So I never made this cake before and I'm making it today for you guys. I'm really chopping this up pretty slow, so I'm gonna go as fast as I can because so everything's complete. I got this whole arranged with the bananas. I'm gonna take my batter. I gotta mix it up again to make sure that everything is all well mixed. Pour this nice and slow. I still remember the last time I did this. I end up dumping the whole thing as fast as I can. I got the oven preheated for 375 and I'm gonna cook this for about 40 minutes. And it looks like I have enough batter here to actually just cover the banana just a tiny bit. So don't forget, this is mixed with avocados. It's not gonna have that much avocado flavor because I only put one. And I never tried this before. I'm sure the texture is gonna be a lot more different. And that's good. Perfectly covered. So that's done. And it is 375. Let that heat up. And it's gonna be done within 40 minutes. Okay, so we're about done right now, and the timing is about 40 minutes. I already stuck the toothpick right in there to make sure nothing is stuck on the toothpick. And this is what it looks like. Got the oven shut off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this rest for another 40 more minutes. Once it's done, it's gonna deflate just a tiny bit. And I'm gonna put my Chia Seed Pina Colada mix pudding right on top, and I'm gonna turn this upside down. So in the meantime, I'll see you guys in a bit, and hopefully Birdytalks is ready for her segment. So she's still putting her makeup on.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, so everybody's showing up right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on top, and I'm gonna make sure the kids get some, and they're actually climbing up slowly right now. You guys could come in here and look at this beautiful pie that I made for you guys, because you guys are gonna end up trying it. So Marianne is showing up, our special guest, and we'll stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So I'm gonna end up just putting this on top, and you guys will see the finishing touch. I'm out of breath. I'll see you guys in a bit.
She's coming. She texted me earlier, so she said she's on her way.
I guess it's dessert, and she's probably here any second now.
Yeah.
She showed up. Guess who's here? Let's bring her in.
Woo! She's here.
We got Marianne in the house.
Emmy Macaron.
I didn't know if I should hug
Is it
her.
Jamie Macaron?
J'aime macaron.
Oh, Jamie Macaron. Nice. Me no speak English or français. Hello.
Okay, so let's put this back here. Now, obviously, we're just winging it. We're not scripted or anything like that. What we have here today, she's gonna show us our goodies. Well, her goodies. And we have goodies.
That's just.
We have our own goodies too.
We don't want to see
Well, I don't know what.
Well, not that type of
Okay, I don't
goodies.
know what goodies you guys are talking about, but
It's the goods.
today is going to be a pate. As I was saying about my specialized dessert, my starbursting hello with a birdie fusion.
As
And she
always.
gets to try it. And you get to try it.
Well, you get to try mine. Mine is,
Oh, yeah.
I have no clue what my desserts is all about because I never made it before and I'm gonna try it myself today. That's basically it. Okay, so since she's here, I got my goodies ready for you. And I'm gonna bring it up.
I
And
can't
obviously,
wait.
it's right beside here. I never tried it before. Robin hasn't tried it before. No, I'm sorry for giving you the argument. But anyhow, it's not the beauty. It's actually the flavors in it. And so what's made in there? We got avocado and also banana on a pie on top of a Pina Colada Chia Seed pudding. Enjoy it. Try it out.
This looks awesome.
It's something weird. Never tried it before. You know what? I should have a piece myself, but I'm gonna figure that out later.
This looks really good. Let's see if it tastes good.
And it's really good, guys.
I never tried it.
Oh wow.
I never tried it. You guys are freaking me out right now. Because
I've never tried anything like this.
there's avocado in it too. It's with the batter.
Guys, this is off the radar. Like,
Is it really?
yeah.
Are you serious?
10 plus plus out of 10 plus.
I have no clue. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have a piece now. Because
Terry, what do you have?
I just finished half, okay? I just finished half.
This is how you properly eat it. You don't need a plate. I don't care. This is my show. First show.
Hey, this is really, really good for our business. I would still buy this.
Oh wow!
Even his surprise, so
Wow,
must be that good.
I would still buy this.
There's fresh banana in there.
They're selling it. I'll be your first customer.
I'll give it to you for free.
This is really, actually, you know what? It actually tastes like a Vietnamese dessert too.
Does it?
Yeah, I'll have to show you what it looks like. It's like almost similar. I'm not even joking.
That's what I do.
It's really refreshing. It's not too sweet, and it's perfect. And guys, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.
She knows what she's talking
Oh
about.
yeah, Birdytalks.
I don't have to tell her. That's perfect.
Speaking of refreshing, the Marianne got to the point. So, gotta try my dessert. Yeah.
Which means I got one too.
Yee! Woo! Okay, and we're back. So you guys can sit down for this segment and try it.
We're the guinea pigs.
So this is a little bit of Philippines, Vietnam, well, half. So a little bit of birdie fusion. It's called Star Bursting Halo Dessert with the birdie fusion. Ready for spring, summer, all seasons, winters.
Can I just tell you, it's so refreshing.
I'm not even gonna tell you guys.
So my pate or maganda or
Okay, I think what you want to say is friend.
how do you say that in Tagalog? How do you say friend?
Kaibigan.
Pardon?
Kaibigan.
Oh, amigo, kaibigan na.
Close enough.
That sounds like Korean.
Yes,
Actually, Alright, so what do you guys think about my dessert?
It is really, really good. I can have this on the beach,
No, definitely in a beach. Yeah.
Anything else in it?
during my barbecue.
Ooh, let's barbecues. I'll be seeing you guys there.
This is perfect for the night out, if you know what I mean.
Night out.
Yeah.
Put some alcohol in it?
Yes!
Oh! Well, in that case, come to Birdie's bar.
Okay, guys, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Birdytalks.
Yay!
This is supposed to be our guest. And it's just saying Birdytalks, but not mine channel.
RTR!
You guys gotta understand, like, you know, there's only one side there, that's our guest.
And his
not my
channel.
guest.
Okay, so if you guys think that you guys make amazing dishes, we would love to hear from you. Share with us. Let me know.
Okay, so obviously this is
Marianne, supporting small businesses. She actually has something amazing in store for you, which I absolutely love. Her something in the dessert category, like I said.
So I brought something for you guys today, and it's my specialty. So, Robin, please sit down.
Uh-oh, switcheroo.
Again, I just want to introduce myself. I'm Marianne from Jean Macarons. You can find me on Instagram.
We're gonna have a lot of links on my channel in the description box, and obviously this one over here. What's her name again? Birdytalks. We'll have it as well.
So I specialize in catering for weddings, birthdays, any occasion. So
It's my birthday! How'd you know?
it's her birthday.
It's my birthday too! We're twins, can you tell?
Alright, guys. Okay, so a little magic here. I'm gonna snap my fingers and.
Wow.
Oh, wow! Whoa.
Seriously?
I just want to eat everything! Ah!
Like, what is this? Like, can I eat?
Marianne specializes in this.
So guys, I brought you guys 3 of my specialties. I basically started with macarons and I moved on to other types of desserts such as cupcakes, cake pops, and we also do wedding cakes, birthday cakes, and and decorated cookies. So right now, I brought you guys some strawberry cupcakes topped with Swiss buttercream, and I brought you some chocolate
Oh my
cake
god.
pops. What?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's how
It
you
looks
food.
so good that we
That's
just
how
can't
we sneak it
resist.
together. So I brought you guys cake pops.
It actually works.
My kids love this.
Actually did work. So chocolate cake pops covered in white chocolate with sprinkles. And my specialty, I brought you some macarons. So we have a chocolate and one with pistachios.
So basically, you started off with this.
yeah,
Then you work your way up to like something more exotic and more selection.
that's right.
They all look exotic.
And I'm a one-stop shop for anyone that would
You look exotic.
Oh, you look
would want to
exotic.
host.
Yeah, you look exotic. Thank you.
Yeah. Ooh,
We are exotic.
Hey guys, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Oh,
That was a
subscribe.
blooper, and I love it, and I'm gonna keep it.
Yeah,
I'm
we're
not
just
gonna
keeping
edit
it real, guys. Keeping it real.
That's perfect.
All right, guys. So dig in.
Oh,
Ooh, I get to try it.
again?
Do you want a
Again?
spoon?
No,
What do you mean?
not this again.
This-
I had mine. I had yours.
That's fine. 3.
Okay,
There's 3 of us. My number.
after eating this, we're gonna have to work out though.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
see?
yeah.
See, she knows.
Guys, next segment. Stay tuned.
I'm taking the pink one.
Be working out soon.
The white one.
Yeah.
Okay.
What you touch is what you get. Just kidding. You can leave that there.
Exactly. So anyhow, guess what?
Anywho, guess
Look
what?
at our description box because all her information will be right down there.
Oh yeah.
Guys, check me out.
I'll be ordering for my daughter's birthday coming up. Can't wait.
Check her out. Not in a creeper way, but just check her out.
Okay.
But anyhow,
That's my sexy move.
Can I try one too?
Yeah.
Okay. So cheers.
are we
Cheers.
gonna do this again?
No,
Okay,
no.
good.
I'll cheers her instead.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Leftovers.
Okay.
We touched. Anyways, okay.
Guys, macaron is one of my favorite. More macaroon, macaron. I don't know how do you pronounce it?
It's macaron with 1 O.
Alright, macaron with 1 O.
Sorry, I'm having a second. I'm having the big one.
Yeah, these are actually one of my favorite desserts, especially made by Marianne.
This is a good
Gem
macaroni.
macaron.
I mean macaroni.
Macaron.
I did that on purpose because her mouth's full.
Good.
So anyhow.
Look at that. Look over there.
Well, anyhow, this is RTR Ray, and you got J Macaron.
Gem macaron.
You got it wrong.
I prefer you doing your own.
Gem macaron.
Oh, gem macaron.
And
Birdytalks.
that's right. So we'll see you guys the next time because I'm gonna. Never mind.
Same place.
Same time
See you soon.
in 2 different channels.
Oh yes, guess who?
Ooh.
Who's gonna be our next guest?
Oh yes, there is more because this one
Support
here.
small businesses.
We are going to raid her backyard soon. We'll
That's
see you
right.
then.
Barbecue.
See you soon.
Bye now. This is so good.
I didn't rest that one, so it's hard. But have fresh.
Oh!
Oh!